Are you tired of waking up to a jarring, blaring alarm that leaves you groggy? The Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock is here to transform your mornings. Designed for heavy sleepers, kids, and anyone who wants a gentle wake-up experience, this clock gradually mimics the sunrise, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. With 7 natural sounds and customizable brightness settings, this sunrise alarm clock creates a peaceful morning routine, making it the perfect addition to any bedroom. But that's not all. This sunrise alarm clock is more than just an alarm. It's also a nightlight, bedside lamp, and FM radio. You can choose from 7 calming colors to create the perfect mood in your bedroom. The dual alarm and snooze function make it great for families or couples who wake up at different times. Whether you prefer waking up to birdsong, ocean waves, or soft music, this clock lets you personalize your experience. Plus, with adjustable brightness and volume levels, you can set it exactly how you like it. One of the standout features is the built-in FM radio and manual tuning option, allowing you to wake up to your favorite station. Whether you're using it as a sleep aid, a nightlight for kids, or a bedside reading lamp, this clock is a versatile must-have for anyone looking to improve their sleep routine. The modern design also makes it a fantastic gift idea for friends and family. Ready to upgrade your mornings? Click the link below to get your sunrise alarm clock from Amazon today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quality product reviews. Let us know in the comments what feature you love the most.